students, it is time for your science read aloud. So this is just a little newsletter article about autumn. So if you could tell in the photo, it looks very realistic. So you could see like someone your age taking a selfie in the park, and you see like a picture of a tree and a squirrel, and in the sun, and the fresh air. So this photo seems very realistic. So from the cover photo, it seems like this newsletter is going to be nonfiction. Now, most newsletters are nonfiction, but not every single one of them, but most of them are nonfiction because usually they tell about current events of what's going on. So for this newsletter, we're going to read Smile. It's autumn. Autumn is here. I tried to take a photo with the colorful leaves, but look at the critter that got into my snapshot. Now, what critter do you think he's talking about? This critter, the squirrel, right here in the photo. So he kind of photobombed the boy's selfie. Now, if we flip on to the next page, My Autumn Snapshots. Where I live, autumn is amazing. I snap photos of what I see around me. And then here's like a little think about it question as you read through the passages down here. As you read, think of 4 things you can see in the autumn. I snap a photo of autumn leaves. Leaves change color in autumn. I see a tree with bright orange leaves. It's picture perfect. Now, I know you guys have seen bright orange leaves from our previous activities, so that's a great example of that, where you took a photo of the leaves and send it over to me. I snap a photo of an autumn squirrel. Squirrels eat a lot in autumn. I see 1 gatherings of nuts. Small for the camera squirrel. So remember the vocabulary word we talked about, gathering. So this squirrel is gathering a bunch of nuts to store for the winter time. So he's getting ready for the winter, because like in the winter time, it's so hard to find food, particularly nuts, for the squirrel. So he's gathering as much food as possible so he can be prepared for the winter time. Now in the third little paragraph, I snap a photo of autumn clothes. The weather gets colder in autumn. People bundle up. They wear coats and scarves to keep them warm. Yes, I love to dress up in the autumn because I love to bundle up in like oversized sweaters and scarves. So I love the clothes for fall. And in the last paragraph, I snap a photo of an autumn butterfly. Some butterflies migrate in autumn. They fly to where it is warmer. Bye-bye, butterfly. So yeah, this is another example of animals migrating to one location because of the change of the seasons, because it might be warmer in one particular area in the world opposed to another. Now, if we look at the bottom right here, keyword observe. Observe means to look closely at something. Let's observe autumn leaves. Leaves have different parts. So you can see like the veins in the leaves, and then the stem and the blade. And then leaves can come in different shapes. Look at the shapes of these leaves. So there's a fern shape, there's a holly, there's poplar, and then there's oak. So it's really neat to see all the different shapes of leaves. Now, I'm going to take a screenshot of this, but I'm going to read aloud the questions. Autumn Park map. Where is the tree? So if you look at the ABC and then 1, 2, 3 at the top, I'm going to tell me which block, if it's like A block that goes with 1, or A with 2, or A with 3, or B with 1 and a B with 2, etc. Which one of these blocks has the tree? Now, where are the acorns? So which part of the blocks have acorns? And blank is in C3. So if you look at C and if you look at 3, you should see something in C3. Now here's the little bonus question. A stream of water goes through the park. Which of these blocks does the stream not go through? So you're going to look at one of these blocks, like it could be A1, B2, B3, C2, like which one does not, where the stream does not go through. So I want you to answer those questions for me and send them over my way. I'll put this assignment on Class Dojo. Thanks for watching.